If you have the habit of using natural medicine and have adopted a healthy diet, then you probably have eaten ginger at least once in your life. Used in culinary to prepare seasonings, sauces, and even sweets, ginger is also largely used in natural medicine thanks to its many proven benefits. In the Middle Ages, European people believed that ginger came from the Garden of Eden, being appreciated by the healers. In modern households and hospitals, ginger is used to alleviate nausea, as well as being recommended to lessen the symptoms of colds, flu, coughing, and other respiratory diseases. Because it is a known thermogenic food, it can boost metabolism and favors fat body burn. This is maybe what made ginger so popular in the Occident. Ginger aids in weight loss because it boosts metabolism and stimulates fat body burn. The compounds 6-gingerol and 8-gingerol found in this root act by increasing the production of heat and sweat, which also helps with weight loss and weight gain prevention. Are you interested? Do you want to learn how to use ginger for weight loss? An efficient way of using ginger to lose weight is by drinking ginger water daily. This recipe also helps the body eliminate toxins and improves intestinal functioning. Making ginger water is very simple. Add 4 or 5 slices or 2 level tablespoons of ginger in 33 ounces of cold water and drink it throughout your day. It is recommended changing the slices every day to keep enjoying its benefits. Ginger is contraindicated for those who take medicine for high blood pressure or for thinning the blood, such as aspirin, and in case of gallstones, must only be used under medical orientation. Besides that, you should not consume more than 0.07 ounces of ginger a day during pregnancy. Besides ginger, you can add some lemon juice to the recipe, which will potentialize the effects of ginger. Lemon can accelerate metabolism, low in calories and high in vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that strengthens the immune system and improves intestinal functions. To make it, prepare a lemon juice by squeezing 1 lemon in a cup of water. After that, add a spoon of grated ginger and mix well. Now tell us, did you know this recipe already? Have you ever used ginger to lose weight? If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.